welcome or welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do beauty and vlog content and a little bit of everything. This vlog is a Valentine's Day maintenance vlog. I think I'm gonna get my nails done and then I guess we're gonna go somewhere else after that. But yeah, in this vlog I'm gonna be doing my Valentine's Day maintenance. And then we got another event after that, after Valentine's Day. So I might as well get everything together right now. So yeah, come with me, do Valentine's Day maintenance. So yeah, we went to the flea market and we walked upon this woman and she makes these candles and they look so realistic, so we bought one. And look at it, it looks so good, it looks real. So y'all, it's like a couple days after I just got my nails done. I'm gonna do my own lashes, cause who finna go pay $175 to get their lashes done? Not me. So over the past year, company's been sending me lashes. So I still got these from DQ. If you haven't go watch that video, go watch that one. And I don't remember who sent me these. I've never used these. But this is the name. And I still got these. Don't know who sent me these either. Merton, something like that. I used a couple of these before. And then I got these script lashes, which I never used before either. But I don't know if I want to do script lashes or individual, because they gonna come off the next morning. So I waste my time doing individual, because I really don't got that much time, because I gotta go to work in like less than, I gotta go to work in like an hour, I think. So I'm gonna just see what these script lashes look like. If they too big, too fluffy, doing too much, I'm not gonna leave them on, because I don't like big lashes. These look kind of big, y'all, but they cute. I like the style of them. Let's see. I'm just put one above my eye to see what they looking like. They don't look that big outside of the case. And yeah, I'm starting not to like my nails, because I keep looking at them and I'm like, you know that TikTok say when you look at somebody and you say, this kind of ugly. That's why I feel about these nails. I should got another design. It's okay. Let's see. I don't know why I'm looking at y'all when I can look at this mirror. I'm not gonna lie, these look kind of thick. So I got like an hour until I'm supposed to go to work. I think I'm gonna do the B&Qs, because they never failed me. They never failed me. They never came out looking crazy for me. So I'm gonna do the B&Qs, and I'm not gonna use day lash glue. I'm gonna use the hair glue lash glue, because I need to take these off in the morning. And y'all, what's going on with Shein? I ordered my packages weeks ago for Valentine's Day for something I want to put on. And tell me why I still ain't got my package. Y'all package is late too, because mine is. I don't got no eyelashes. I hate I don't got eyelashes. Well, I got them, they're just little. All right, let's start because I ain't got that much time.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down.
Okay, so lashes are done. I did it. I actually did it faster than I thought I could. I wish I would have got the little dye to do my eyebrows, but they not art, so it's okay. So yeah, lashes done. Next is hair, but I'm gonna have to do that after I get off work because I did this faster than I thought I would, but I only got 30 minutes to do my hair, and it's not gonna take me 30. It's gonna take me more than 30 minutes to do my hair. So I'm just have to do that after I get off work. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day to y'all. And comment down below what y'all gonna be doing today. And I guess I'll see y'all when I got to work to do my hair. And then we're going out for Valentine's Day.
Damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident.
Alright y'all, that's it for this video. And the tutorial for how I achieved this feathered layer look on this wig will be in my next video. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's Day.
Kill chivalry, they need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end. But then the season changed.
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby.